Welcome to today's lesson on the outcomes of the Human Genome Project and its potential applications within medicine. We will delve into the groundbreaking achievements of the Human Genome Project and explore how these advancements are revolutionizing medical science. In our roadmap for today, we will first discuss the major milestones and outcomes of the Human Genome Project, understanding how this monumental endeavor was completed. We will then examine the various ways in which this knowledge is being applied in the field of medicine, such as in the development of personalised medicine, improved diagnostics, and better treatment strategies. So far, you have learned about the structure of DNA, the concept of the genome, and the basics of the Human Genome Project. You now understand that DNA carries the genetic information that determines the characteristics of living organisms, and the genome is the complete set of genetic material in an organism. This knowledge sets the stage for us to introduce how decoding the human genome has expanded our understanding of biology by providing a detailed map of all the genes in the human body. This revelation allows scientists and doctors to tailor medical treatments to individual genetic profiles, predict and diagnose diseases more accurately, and develop new therapeutic approaches. To begin, let's remind ourselves what a genome is. The genome is the complete set of genetic material in an organism and includes all of its genes. The Human Genome Project, completed in 2003, was a groundbreaking international effort to map the entire human genome, identifying all the genes in humans. This achievement has had several significant impacts on medicine and biology. One of the major outcomes of the Human Genome Project is our ability to predict and prevent diseases. By knowing which genes are linked to diseases like cancer and heart disease, doctors can provide personalised advice. For example, if a person has a gene that increases the risk of breast cancer, they might be advised to have regular screenings or adopt lifestyle changes that could reduce this risk. With the ability to predict which diseases a person might develop, doctors can begin interventions earlier. Early intervention can be crucial in managing diseases more effectively and improving patient outcomes. Another significant impact is in the field of inherited disorders. Many disorders, such as cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia, are caused by faulty alleles of specific genes. The Human Genome Project has made it quicker and easier to identify these alleles in individuals, allowing for early diagnosis. Once faulty alleles are identified, research can focus on developing treatments that target these specific genetic issues. This could involve gene therapy, where the faulty allele is corrected or replaced, or personalised medications designed to counteract the effects of the faulty gene. While the Human Genome Project has many benefits, it also raises some ethical and social issues. Knowing that you have a high genetic risk of a certain disease can cause significant stress and anxiety. This is especially true if there is no effective prevention or treatment available for that disease. People are not guaranteed to develop a disease if they have a genetic predisposition to it, so this stress may be unwarranted. Individuals who know they carry faulty alleles may feel pressured not to have children. This can be a deeply personal and challenging decision, influenced by complex ethical considerations. There is a risk that individuals with known genetic predispositions for certain diseases could face discrimination. For example, employers might avoid hiring someone who is at a higher risk of developing a serious illness, and insurance companies might charge higher premiums based on genetic information. The Human Genome Project has also paved the way for advancements in the development of new medicines. By understanding genetic variations between individuals, scientists can develop drugs that are tailored to a person's genetic makeup. This personalised approach can make treatments more effective and reduce the likelihood of side effects. Doctors can use a person's genetic profile to predict how well they will respond to a particular treatment. This means that treatments can be tailored not just to the disease, but to the individual, increasing the chances of success. In today's lesson, we discussed the outcomes of the Human Genome Project and its medical applications. We revisited the basics of DNA, genes, and the genome, noting that the Human Genome Project, completed in 2003, mapped all human genes. We explored how the project has improved our understanding of genetic disorders, leading to better diagnoses and targeted treatments. It also advanced personalised medicine, enabling treatments tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, and predictive medicine, which uses genetic information to anticipate disease risks for preventive care. Additionally, we touched on gene therapy, which seeks to treat or cure genetic disorders by repairing faulty genes. We also discussed the ethical considerations associated with knowledge of someone's genetic makeup, including how it could potentially lead to concern and discrimination. In conclusion, the Human Genome Project has revolutionized human genetics and paved the way for more personalised, predictive and preventive healthcare, promising a bright future for medical science.